In this lesson, we'll show you how to scale items using the View tools. Before we can begin scaling items, though, we first have to select the item we want to scale. You may need to choose the Select tool under the Select and Search panel to do this. Once you've selected what you want to scale, go to the Item Tools tab, and from under the Transform panel, select the Scale icon. You'll see a set of arrows appear, pointing in the X, Y, and Z axes. If you click and drag these arrows, it will transform or stretch your object in the given plane. If you need more precision, you can click the arrow under the Transform panel. Under X, Y, and Z, you'll see a row that says Scale. The value you put in that box will increase your object that many times in that plane. The value you put in that box will increase your object that many times in that plane. So putting a 4 under the Y scale will make the Y value of the object 4 times greater. You can always restore the original values by right-clicking in the screen, going to Reset All, and selecting Transforms.